you can do scratch.
Scratch,
And here
but you
is
can
the
also
teach and
program
play.
it using robot operating system. So it's not only Scratch, it's actually the program that you use on it is it's using G code, and G code it's been used in CNC machines, in 3D printers, and many other industrial applications. So students will be able to program using that Scratch, then continue to programming using G code that could be used for industrial machines, CNC, 3D printers, many other things. And at the same time, it has the ability to be programmed using ROS or robot operating system. We have also the ability to connect here external sensors if we want. So if we want to design our own something, we can have our own thing there and connect it there, but that gets more and more advanced and you need more time to do it.
Can't see anything.
Should we talk about our PCs or we don't?
I mean, if you can do it from my laptop, or if doesn't have, if not anyone has, but if you go to teach and play.
Να πρέπει να σου πω για τον DK για να δείξουν και πράγματα μας.
Ναι, αλλά αφού το ξεκινήσαμε τώρα να δείξω.
So we just show this and then we move.
I'm just gonna show you how to use the teach and play, and you can come to my laptop or you can move it to your laptop, but it just needs the power. So first, I know it's very small, but you have to choose your end effector. So which
Less resolution.
it's fine. It's fine. So you have to choose rotary air picker. I think it's this one, soft gripper.
You choose the front end, so it knows, understand that now you have front end, there is the gripper like this.
We have all those ends. We are using the soft gripper in this case. And here we don't have any accessories, but we go first. If you press home, is it connected? It's not connected. I cannot see the connection from there. It's because of
Βάλε στα σωστά, ξέβαλε στα.
sí.
You have to connect, choose the correct compost first.
So if you press home,
Now it's moving.
that's
The home.
it has as home. But you can move it around and then not in this case, but in the drawing setting, you can move it around and then because you have to move it depending on your pen and everything else, and you press set this as home. So depends.
You can choose the home because the home could be this here, could be this here, could be somewhere else.
And here is the teach and play.
Okay. Rotary air picker. Save.
Okay.
First step.
You want to release it?
Release it, we move it here. The first step here. Record it. Okay. Second step, I move here, let's say here. Third step is have we got any smaller ones? Ανεξέτω τούτο. Ναι, αλλά δεν δουλεύει ο παν μας. Το παν μας δεν δουλεύει. Δάμε το παν.
Η αλήθεια να περνάω ποτέ.
Δεν έχω ιδέα καθόλου. Ανάψε, το κουμπί αυτό ανάψε.
Δουλεύει ο παν.
Έχει switch.
No, it doesn't.
Διάρρευμα κάτω, είναι εσύ. Δάμε διάρρευμα, μου σημαίνει ότι διάρρευμα είναι από εκεί.
Termina la cama de pie.
Ah,
And release it after that.
Okay.
So,
Record,
eh?
go down, record, close. Pick, ναι. Και αυτό. Δεν και πιάσει το καλά, πρέπει να κάνουμε από την άλλη πλευρά.
Στο. Όχι, στο. Στο.
Οκ.
Και εδώ.
Εν το πιάνε, πρέπει να το σφίξει, αφού πρέπει να κάνουμε από την
γύρω
μέσα.
και το 15, ότι φορά είναι αυτό.
Πρέπει να το κάνεις που μέσα από την...
Ένα φίλο.
Να ανάποδα το ανώθηκε να...
Κάτι άλλο.
Ναι. Να ανάποδα το.
Δεν τα σκέφτομαι. Περίμενε.
Ωραία, πρέπει.
Μέσα.
Δεν έχει ανάποδα ίσως.
Το release ήταν το νανί. Το release ήταν το νανί.
Βάλεις το ανάποδα.
Αυτό το.
Εντάξει.
Το release νανί ήταν. Το release νανί.
Γιατί γύρω στην εκεί. Sorry. Okay, stop it, stop rotating. It's getting busy. Something is stop it.
Να κάνω disconnect απλά.
We switch on and off again like good days.
No Windows. Windows αυτό το κινητό μου στα. Δεν θα άφησες. Turn it on.
I thought he did.
So the idea of this is that especially for collaborative robots, the idea of moving them around and picking things up using collaborative model and teaching them, this is the idea. So that's why you can program it using this, and the more so for collaborative robots is an excellent way of programming like this. You put it there, you press memorize here, you memorize other things. Θωρείς τώρα κλείνοντας. Δεν το κάνεις.
Did I put the right one? I think I put the air pistol, that's one.
Ah. So
Finally makes sense. My bad.
why did you say it? Now it's okay, it was the wrong gripper.
Okay. Let's start again.
Let's start again. Go home. First step home. Home. First step home. Memorize. Memorize that. Then go up. And release. And release.
Πρέπει να είσαι στο teaching coding.
Πού πατάς,
Είσαι χωρίς.
Περιμένε.
Φωτεινή, έλα αρχιέτο, κάμε το που δάμε. Κάμε το νόμο. So let's disconnect. Let's do it here. It's okay, they can see. They are not moving.
Yeah, but you basically press the steps.
Do it like do it
We'll
from
just
here.
show you and then you
Do
can
it
try
from-
it yourself. It will be easier.
From here, from there it was
Um,
not easy to read what we have. Ah,
okay. Περίμενε, gripper, σωστό, let's go. Καμί.
ναι. Memorize.
Ναι,
Memorize.
ένα λεπτό, κάνω share screen. Share screen. Βάλε την κάμερα να βλέπεις με Μαρία.
Down, open the gripper. Go down,
Περίμενε να κάνω
open the
refresh.
gripper, memorize.
Ναι,
Go down,
ναι,
memorize.
ναι,
Close the gripper.
ναι,
Memorize.
ναι.
Move up. Memorize.
Μμμ,
Move to the right.
μμμ,
Memorize.
μμμ,
Move down. Memorize.
μμμ.
Release.
Ναι,
Memorize.
μμμ,
Go up. Memorize.
μμμ,
Okay. Go home.
μμμ.
Memorize.
Okay.
So
Let's
let's
play it.
play it if I'm correct. I don't know if it was exactly there, but anyway.
If it's not, it's not.
So it memorized all the thing.
And if course,
So this is a very basic idea of how you can teach
If
it,
you
but you
have-
can do many complex
if you
things.
have a set environment and you
then
can
you can
see
do it again.
the coordinates that you have
Do it again.
saved, and then you can do a
So you
scratch
can repeat
program.
this task. Pick it from there, put it there, pick it from there, put it there.
And Afisa? And if you have the AI camera, of course, you can detect, let's say, the color of the object and move it to a specific place and so on.
That's awesome.
Yes, so with the AI camera, then you can recognize what you have there and put it there.
We can show you the drawing part of the robot if you want to see it as well. But you can try and do some tasks
But,
yourself if you want to come
but-
here or.
I have to repeat this method for programming. I mean, teach it to do something. I strongly believe that it's going to be.
About cobots, they mostly use this method. They move the robot.
So no programming, no nothing. Memorize all these steps. Yeah. Move it around and.
Because if
do
you have a
something.
set environment, it's so much easier to do it in set
So
coordinates.
let's say that you have here these things, you have here these things, and you have to get 3 of these to put it there, 2 of these to put it there. So you can get here, get one, put it there, get the other one, put it there. etc.
Of course, there is some percentage about repeatability. It's not 100%. I remember I was trying to move, I had 3 objects on top of each other and you had to move it to another and then place it on top of each other and then on top of each other. And of course, it didn't sit exactly on top of each other.
Because
But-
yes, because once you going to pick it up, it could pick it up like this, and then it will be rotated a little bit. So you're not sure
Mhm.
how is it going to be like this or is it going to be like this? It depends on where you're going to pick it. So when you were going to stack them up, one of them was going like this and the other one like this.
If you want to, you can use in this application, you can use the speaker. So it just sucks there. And I think, I'm not sure if you have it here, I can show it.
Yeah. So you have another one. Apart from this, which gets many things that are soft or whatever, you can have.
You can either try and teach it yourself and then I can put the drawing or
Put the drawing
whatever you want to do first.
programming.
If someone wants to sit here and someone else can move it around,
So feel free.
you
to
can
do
work
something
in teams.
together.
These also is a team exercise.
new program. So where should we start? On this point?
If it doesn't move, which now it doesn't.
Sorry, there, it's okay. I
It
just
means
find
that
it
it's
here.
locked. It's locked. They have to unlock it. So after you
So
unlock
you
it,
want
it's
first to
it's
delete.
easy.
Oh,
Delete all. Do you want to put it in a home first?
sorry.
Βέβαια, ότι
Okay.
εμπεδίδουμε.
Ne,
So should I do anything in control panel
I mean, you
initially?
can use home.
Okay.
It first. Press.
And I should save it now?
No, this is what they have in the program.
Okay.
Press off and on again.
Wait. Yes, to
Just a
yes.
second.
Wait.
I turn
Yes,
it on.
this is the correct gripper this time.
Okay.
Apologize for that.
So
And now he should be able to move it. Is it
Oh, yes, it moved.
Up.
Now it's
free?
free.
Yes.
Now it's free.
So you can move it to wherever you want.
And now it's not free. You can feel it.
So, well, it's not expensive to be honest. First of all, think of what you want it to
So
do.
we start from this point.
Yes,
Yes.
this is safe.
Okay.
The first position is safe.
Dave?
Just a minute. I didn't
Wait,
save it
tell
yet.
him when to press.
This one is saved.
This is a step.
No, which one is saved?
That's the
That one.
No.
Okay. I saved.
Yes.
Okay.
Next.
Go
step.
up. Go up.
Okay.
Oh,
Go up and leave it there.
Keep it.
Keep it there.
I saved.
safe.
Okay.
So what we do,
This move, let's say here.
move here,
Save.
save
Saved. Okay.
here,
Saved.
Go down. Go down, more down.
save,
Wait, we have to release first. Stay there. Press release.
Okay.
And now record. Yes. Press it
Go
down.
down.
And
Okay.
now press it again.
Press record.
Record.
Okay.
And then you have to grip it
Okay.
and record.
Record. Okay.
Yes. And now whatever you want to take
Go
it.
up.
Yes.
Record.
Record.
Okay.
Yes. Up. Record.
And then let's go
Okay.
put it
Okay.
on top of it.
And let's
Let's
see.
see.
Yes. Record.
Okay. I did.
Yes. Down.
down,
Record.
Record. Okay.
A bit more down. And here press release and
Okay.
record.
I did.
Okay.
Then
And
go
then
up.
take it.
Go up.
Will I save? It's saved.
Go up.
Press neutral.
Okay.
Record. And then take it to a home, let's say, to an original, or you can leave it there. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Let's do this again. So repeat this.
Should I take it?
Press that. Sorry, this. And
Play.
now it will play. This is the movements you did.
You did. So
So they're a bit unnecessary, but this is what you taught them. Okay, it was a bit more there, I guess.
it's okay. So no programming required.
Yes, so this is if you
This is the future.
I feel like it's a good way to explain to students the degrees of autonomy, freedom, sorry, and you can also teach them coordinates. So you also teach them. Okay, anyone else?
So just have in mind that if you go to less than 1,000 euro robot, less than 300 euro robot, you can get one, but it doesn't have this inverse kinematic. They are called inverse kinematic. It doesn't know where it is.
You should know what it is because I taught you that, by the way.
Yeah, so
Did you
cheap
take
one,
any-
they don't know. So you,
Any photo?
they are whatever. You do this, and
You
then
can share.
when you did again, it doesn't go to the same.
Does
Doesn't wait when it.
Does anyone want to try it? Do you want to put the drawing part? We can put it to
So you get the idea of how this program is?
Yes.
Right, it's-
It's quite easy,
So
but
you want to-
this is for collaborative rooms, as I mentioned, this is the, but it has, in order to do this, it has so many sensors inside and coders.
It's the correct one. Save. Okay. And είναι. Ναι, okay. Λέει ότι ποτέ να κάνει record. Δεν τον έκανε record.
Ναι. Και να πατήσω μια φορά απλά για να
Ναι, record, ναι.
μπορεί να ξεκινήσει.
Αυτό είδαμε στη ουσία πάλι.
να πιάσει το κίτρινο να το βάλει πας στο άσπρο. Να πιάσει το κίτρινο να το βάλει πας στο άσπρο σκοπό.
Νομίζω ότι και τον πλάτο βάλει πας στο άσπρο.
Το
Ή
κίτρινο.
πας στο... Όχι, το κίτρινο βάλει το για reference. Ναι. Οκ. Κατέβα στο... Ναι, κάμε κάτι. Ναι. Πατά record. Κράτα το.
Πρέπει να
Ναι. Επειδή είναι στο free record. Τώρα πρέπει να ανοίξει release, record. Πριν πάει κάτω. Εγώ κάνω το λάθος να το κατεβάσω και μετά να πάρει τη σωρλήσια. Μαθαίνεις ως που πάει. Ναι.
Και τώρα πάει κάτω
Κάτω.
και τώρα
Record. Record.
record.
Ναι.
Και τώρα να πάρεις πάνω, λογικά.
Το.
Και τώρα να πιάνει ύψος.
Ναι.
Ναι.
Και μετά που να πάρεις το πράσινο. Record.
Record. Να γίνει. Πας το κάτω.
Record. Και μετά ακόμα λίγο κάτω για
Ναι.
release. Ναι,
Οκ,
release και
release.
record.
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 Και τώρα
Είναι
είναι
πάνω, είναι πάνω. Record.
Neutral, ναι, μπορείς να βάλεις neutral.
record.
Record.
Οκ,
Δεν χρειάζεται να πούμε.
Όχι, δεν χρειάζεται. Τώρα να πατήσεις play, να πάει που μόνο του στο πρώτη θέση που έθεσε πριν.
Άντε, μάθε να πατήσεις ρομπότ.
Ας πούμε, τούτο είναι πολύ εύκολο στην ουσία, κάποιον που δεν ξέρει τις βασικές γλώσσες που εσείς επιλέγεις.
Θαύμα.
Είναι μάλλον
Και ας πούμε τώρα, ξέρετε τα coordinates για κάποιες θέσεις που βάλατε και μπορούσατε να πάτε με
So one of
το
the
scratch, paste και να βάλετε τις συγκεκριμένες συνταγμένες.
See, when you
Επειδή έχετε
report
τις
something, it actually reported coordinates of this. So it knows there that I am at this position in space. So whatever you do, it's just reporting the position in space. So when you have this kind of robot with inverse matrix, it knows the exact position in space. So it has it X this, Y this, and Z this. Okay. For other robots, the cheap ones, you have no idea where you are in space. No idea where you are. Because they are not, they don't have all these mathematical models within their programming to understand what are in space. I mean, the articulations,
Τα settings
the
γενικά, αλλά εν τούτα που αλλάσεις, ας πούμε τώρα θέλεις να πάρεις κάτω, τούτα ας πούμε τώρα μπορείς να τεστάρεις τώρα, ας πούμε, πάρ' το να πάει κάτω.
να βάλουμε να ζωγραφίσεις για να...
Ναι, ένα λεπτό.
So the next,
Τώρα πάει κάτω, θωρείς το που...
τι άλλο να δούμε.
Πάει, περίμενε γιατί δεν κινείται.
Όχι, κινείται απλά.
Α, ναι, εν το step που βάλεις.
Οκ.
Αν θέλεις να πάρεις κάτω και θες να πάρεις πολλά κάτω, βάλε 20 ας πούμε και πάρ' το...
Αφού είναι να βάλουμε να ζωγραφίσουμε.
Και το Z.
So we make some...
Περίμενε κάτω είναι το X, Y, Z, Y. Τώρα γιατί δεν πάει στο work. Οκ, τώρα πήγε.
Αλλά θυμάται το home που
Το home and predetermined δικό του. Έχουν νομίζω το... Αν πήγαινε στο teach and play, κάμε τα αντιλήπτωτα. Ναι, εντάξει, εφευκή η αλήθεια. Μπορεί να κάνεις και download και upload. Όχι.
Βασίζεται σε τούτο.
Ξεχωριστό. Είναι απλά για να το κάνεις set. Ας πούμε, μπορεί να κάνεις set για το laser και το drawing. Μπορεί να τα κάνεις set. Τώρα, αν κάνεις record, τούν το position, εν τούτο που θεωρεί home πάντα.
Οκ.
Αυτό είναι αλλάσεις. Ωραία, θες να δοκιμάσεις.
Now and the last part, now we're going to go to the...
Έχω μέσα στο χατοράκι άσπρο.
So one
Εκείνο που είπε, όχι, όχι.
Τότε που το ανοίξαμε, που ήρθα πρώτη φορά, και γυρεύτα να είμαστε...
Όχι, δεν είχε μέσα, δεν ήταν.
Τελικά πώς θα μας
the robot. repeat itself like we now. And you can also program it with Python and I think it comes to the Python, MicroPython, Python.
You don't have to use this. They don't have. If you use other that are supported by it, then you can use Python. But I'm not sure which ones. I can check it. Yeah.
Ήθελε η φωνή να συνέχισα να πάνε.
Περίμενα να δω ποιο είναι το working height. Είναι το working. In the drawing section in the laser engraving options, there's also another option that does run boundary. So it shows you where it's gonna move around. So obviously I need to place my papers, so I need to know where the boundary is. Όχι, περίμενε. Βάλε μια εικόνα και πάω.
Βάλε Στέλλα.
Για να βρω το boundary.
Εξωγήινο αυτοκίνητο.
Εντάξει. Okay, round generate
Ζητώ.
every time. Okay.
Now it's.
I'm gonna run the boundary based on the design I put. I need to see where it will go.
Για πάει κάτω.
I mean, I could have put it down. No. I think here it will be.
Yes, it's.
But yeah, run it again.
So.
But I run boundary. So it starts from here. And move to here. So here should be fine. For this design.
Το move X τι είναι για να ταράξει.
And another thing we need to do now is to set the work height, because obviously the home is not the work height. And I have to manually put it down. Well, θέλετε να βάλετε άλλη κόλλα για να μην τηλεόρασω εκεί. Επειδή...
Είναι
10.
10.
Με λίγο...
Καλό.
Okay.
So
usually
spring inside it, so when it
So I
starts to
set
go,
the,
it doesn't
I
break
set
the-
the work height. I'm gonna press home. Usually, if obviously before I taped it, in order to make sure that the work height is correct, you move the paper around, and it should barely, like it should easily move, but it should have some friction in order, for it to touch properly. So I have the design. It's just a card. I press generate G code. So it generates the G code itself. I don't do any code. And then where is it? Start send G code. It will start. Okay, I didn't do a good.
It's okay.
Okay.
Maybe it will get a little bit.
Yeah. That's why I always test the boundary 5 times, but it's okay. Of course, you can change the speed of the, if you're doing a more complex design, you might need to change the speed to be a bit slower or faster.
So there are people that use this to
Does it matter?
design large.
I
I mean,
found-
does the speed affect?
Yes.
I mean,
If it's a bit complex, I try to make it a bit slower, because if it's too fast, sometimes you
The
can
pen.
see that because it's a pen, of course. If you use a pencil, it might be different, but a pen might, if you do it too fast,
It's-
it
may not.
has, yes, because it's a ball pen. But if you do a pencil, it might be fine. So you can play with this and see the work speed. I don't really know what the jog speed. and
So for
jog
the
speed.
laser as well, if you move slow, then it cuts more. If you it cuts more. If you move fast,
Yes.
it doesn't
It
cut.
doesn't, so you should find optimal.
Yes.
Yes. And depending on the shape you're gonna do it, I think when it's round, it's easier, of course, if you have less speed, and if it's straight line, you can do it fast. I can also do writing, calligraphy.
You can make signature as well.
Yes. That's actually, I wanted to test it with my signature because, you know, we have the signature for a reason, and then I'm going to put the robot to do my own signature, but I didn't try it yet. I will try it eventually.
Ah, this was shit. With the
Okay, I will put it. Okay. Να το
Πολλά
κάνω.
μεγάλα.
Ναι, περίμενα. Θέλω να κάνω. Είχα βάλει να. For this one, I tried it with high speed and it was a bit weird, and then I reduced the speed, it was better. Because you can see that
Write your name.
this is Robotics for the software.
Write your name. Okay.
It's horrible, but generate. I want it to go home first. And then I'm guessing it's in the boundary.
Yes.
I'm gonna run it again. Just to see it's not in the boundary. Because it's like this. Αυτό το βγάλεις, βάλε λίγο. Hold it, κύριε Γιώργο.
I will hold it.
Generate and start send.
Anyway, the calligraphy.
A normal person will have a set environment and nothing will move. It will be easier. But
these calligraphs are not. They don't look
They
good
don't look good
on the screen. How can they look good on the?
exactly. You can already tell it's bad. But actually, it's better than the.
Yeah, but
If you want, you can create. If you have done 3D design before and so on, you can export the SVG file and upload it. So it doesn't take only the examples that's here. You can upload any file. Yes.
Okay.
Does anyone want their own name and the dates just to have the part that said, this robot told me this? Okay, it was easier to do this with children. They were more excited than you guys. I don't think we have. I can't find the piquet, but it's basically a suction cup. And we also have the laser, which is that one, I think. Yeah. And there's the 3D printer, which, to be fair, we tried it and it's not that good, but I don't know if we did something wrong. It didn't pick right because the plate that was in the box, it wasn't heated plate, and we're used to having the heated plates in 3D printing. So I don't know if that was the issue. But other than that, the AI works very good. Everything, I mean, this is very good software to use, but it's very limited. If you want to do something, because when we're using AI camera, it will only recognize a few things. If you want to do something more, you have to use another example. Machine, yes.